Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you super elegant hair combo in Trust and Press. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection and I'm going to choose this hairstyle and choose the toggle only bang. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the updo category and choose this hairstyle and go to the wavy category, choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the straight hair, select this one, but you can remove the bangs. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the bangs and select this bang. Okay, now it's time to match the color. For me, I'm just going to color them. Wait, I'm going to color it with this color, this brown color. Okay, and for this one, just make it has the same color. Okay, then the last one for the bangs. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this elegant hairstyle in Trust and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.